This is the Motorola Moto E22, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to, launch the Settings app, then enter the Apps category over here. After that, go for the Default Apps section, open Browser app, and select Opera by simply tapping on it. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let me show you, the second method as well. So I'll simply launch Opera, then at the bottom right corner, you gotta tap on your avatar, then open Settings by tapping on this little cog icon over here. Next, scroll the page down for a little bit and tap on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.